Happy June, guys!
Perfume na.
Self-help book. Layout too! This one!
Hi guys! Welcome back to my vlog, and for this week's vlog, I decided to create a June reset routine. I hope yung mga vlogs na to guys will inspire you guys to set a day, kahit one day lang na para mag-enjoy, to do the things that you really love, to relax. Kasi hindi naman talaga kailangan everyday productive ka. You can really just take your time and wind down for a bit. So, for me, ito yung mga ginagawa ko so I can prepare myself for the month ahead. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog.
Happy June, guys! Today is June 1st and I decided that this month, ito-try ko mas maging active. Light jog lang yung gagawin ko for today. And I'm gonna be with my sister and the iba friends namin. So yeah, it's really early. It's currently 7:45 a.m. Supposedly 6 a.m. yung call time. Pero okay pa naman kasi maaga pa naman. Like sobrang araw pa sa labas. And yun, since June 1st ngayon, parang it's just good energy today. So this is my running fit. I have this top from Nike. Shorts are also from Nike. New Balance na sneakers. Ay, rubber shoes pala. And I'm just going to bring this bag. So yeah, let's go to Salcedo. Magbubook na lang kami ng Grab. And actually, maaabutan namin today since it's Saturday. Maaabutan namin yung parang community market nila doon. Until 2 p.m. yun every Saturday. Actually, nakikita ko lang yun sa TikTok na super cute ng mga binibenta doon. Like, they even have flowers. Food, of course. So, I'm so excited na makapunta na there. So, after namin mag-jog, lilibot kami dun sa weekend market. Yeah, I'm so excited for today and I feel like this is a good start for June. I'm hoping na matuloy ko tong energy na to for the whole month. But for now, let's go sa Salcedo. Yeah, good. Ako tatakbo ako ng mga 10 feet. 10 minutes pala. Got some flowers. This is so pretty and this is only 200 pesos, guys. Okay, so bago ako maligo guys, para isang liguan na lang, magde-declutter muna ako ng mga books ko. Na-realize ko, hindi lahat ng books ko gusto ko ilagay dito sa room. Ayoko din masyadong cluttered yung area. I brought my books here, pero i-declutter ko sila and I'm going to be, I don't know, I might sell some of these books on TN Closet PH. I mostly have mga self-help books. Yung iba dito, tapos ko na, pero like this one, so I'm going to sort muna yung mga gusto kong i-keep. Here sa room ko. So I just finished taking a bath and it's a Monday, so happy Monday guys. I actually did my full shower routine because syempre part din ng reset routine ko of course is me taking care of my body. Right now I'm applying the Vaseline Glutathione lotion. You guys know this is my favorite. This is not sponsored. I also washed my hair. I used this one, itong cream silk treatment. I use this weekly. Right now, I feel so clean. Kasi like, full shower routine talaga yung ginawa ko. Like, nag-body wash ako, nag-scrub ako and all. So, yeah. Oh, by the way, I also got my nails done. And I got them in a nude color kasi meron akong shoot. It's either clean or nude color lang yung pwede. So, I just got these. And I'm so happy kapag talagang maayos yung nails ko. I feel like I look put together. I try to get them done every month. But if not, I just like trim them and make sure na clean sila tingnan. I'm all set. My body's clean. My hair is clean as well.
So, I just changed to my outfit. Ito yung fit ko sa campus. Medyo mainit kasi, so nag-shorts lang ako and itong top. Perfume lang tayo. Yung scent nito guys is When the Rain Stops. I'm going to fix my bag lang. My bag is Non-Static Classic Tote version 1. But yeah, so maga kasi ako makakarating ng campus guys. And you know me, ayoko mag-waste ng time talaga. And pinaka-hate ko rin yung parang nag-wait ako. Since sabay kasi kami ng sister ko napasok talaga. Yung class niya start nun is 11 a.m. Pero yung class ko talaga 1 p.m. pa. And sabay nga kami, maaga ako nakakarating ng campus and I just wait until 1 p.m. So wala akong ginagawa talaga most of the time. But since part of my June goals, or my goal in general this year, is to go back into studying Hangul or Korean. If you've watched my vlog last time, yun, nagbalik loob ako sa Korean. Kasi feeling ko sayang din yung natutunan ko before. I'm trying my best to dedicate at least 30 minutes a day to study Hangul. And I think okay din naman yun. Kasi, I mean, little progress is way better than having no progress at all. So, that's why I'm going to bring my iPad and I'm gonna stay sa cafe. A lot of you guys are still asking me what I use to study Hangul. So, all of my Korean classes right now are on Skillshare. Ayun, nasa iPad ko lang siya. Honestly, with Skillshare, learning is so easy. Basically, Skillshare is the largest online learning community for creatives. They have thousands of classes in categories like languages, photography, music, marketing, productivity, and so much more. So currently, ito yung class na inaaral ko guys. Itong Korean conversation for pre-intermediate level. What I really like about Skillshare is that yung mga classes talaga nila, they are taught by industry professionals or experts. So, kunwari, itong class na tinitake ko right now, it is taught by Ki Hwan Kim. Isa siyang language teaching professional. So far, I've been enjoying it kasi it focuses on natural Korean expressions na I can use talaga for everyday. It really helps, kumbaga, kapag magte-travel ako, so I can really like talk to the locals, ganun. Yeah, and also, there are worksheets kasi available after every lesson. So, with Skillshare, it's all about learning by doing. Also, Skillshare has this amazing learning paths, which include classes on video editing, how to grow your online business, and even singing classes. So, if you guys are interested, make sure to click the link below kasi the first 500 people to click the link will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. Ayun lang naman. And now, I'm off to campus kasi may pa tayong class the whole day today. See you guys there.
Yung Nicole, hindi ko makalimutan. Yung sadness ko.
I'm home! So, I got matcha on my way back. Please don't mind the mess sa likod ko because ito yung mga package ko, guys. Nandito kasi nalalagay lahat. I also wanna unbox this kasi this is my new water bottle na I'm gonna use. Mas malaki na yung size nito compared sa meron ako rin. But before that, I got a package from Beyond the Vines. So first I got this one. It's their carnival bag. And it's reversible. So, ta-da! Perfect for the beach and all. So, I like this so much. And also, they sent me a pair of sneakers. Hindi ko alam na meron palang sneakers yung Beyond the Vines. So, ayan siya. Super cute ng color. And wala pa akong actually blue na shoes. Kahit anong shoes. Because I mostly have black, white, yun lang. Round pouch.
And I think pwede ko ito ilagay dun sa bag earlier. So yeah, thank you so much Beyond the Vines for sending. And I feel like last vlog din ata nag-haul ako ng Beyond the Vines. So yeah, thank you so much po. But now, I'm gonna unbox this. Bought yung water bottle kasi naliliitan na ako sa, hindi mo siya super liit, pero enough yung water na nalalagay ko dun sa isa kong water bottle which is in piezo na black. So I got a new hydro flask. Dati talaga water ako ng water, pero I don't know why. Kakamatch ako guys. Parang hindi 8 glasses of water na di-drink ko araw-araw. So I wanna change that. I got this one. Ang laki guys. Oh my gosh. Mas malaki pa siya sa face ko. Ito ata yung pinakamalaki na nila ng hydro flask. I got the white one because my previous water bottle was black. Hopefully, mapilitan na talaga akong uminom ng tubig kasi laki na ito guys. Galing pa tong Korea guys. You guys know this already. This is the Dalba First Spray Serum. Also got yung Return Oil Cream Cleanser, the one that I use. Oh, this is my favorite sheet mask, guys. Like, no joke. Ito yung ginagamit ko kapag the next day I have an event or my big day. Kailangan ko parang plump yung skin ko. I just apply this. I remember meron akong event noon sa Malaysia. I bought 2 packs of these. Maganda yung skin ko pagkagising ko. So, highly recommend this sheet mask. Medyo pricey lang siya compared sa mga normal masks, but super worth it na to. I haven't tried this one. Sunstick from Dalva as well. I already have this one, the Tone Up Pink Corrector. So that is it for my haul for now, and I'm gonna call it a day, and I'll see you guys in the next clip.
Hi guys, so today is June 12. It's currently 9:39 a.m. and right now, meron kaming shoot na gagawin for my subject, which is a major subject. So, kailangan namin mag-shoot ng parang campaign. So, nag-book kami ng studio, kami ng mga groupmates ko, and I'm just waiting for them kasi dito kami nag-book sa may Taguig. And yeah, samahan nyo lang ako guys. And I think this is the first time na i-vlog ko yung parang behind the scenes sa mga projects namin sa school. So yeah, this is one of them. And yeah, I'm so excited for the day. And I'll just see you guys sa studio. Here na kami sa studio, guys. Kapat lang ko ng damit. First fit.
Eto.
Layout 2!
Or
Layout 2! Layout 2! Set 2. Oh, iba kapag ginagis niya.
yun nga, inisip ko.
Kapag ganun siya.
Unot. Slow sky. Julio. Start ka muna lang. Masyado siyang mataas pa. Kailangan mo yung year pa. No, nagulat siya.
Ayan. Okay.
Tapos na? Okay, dinrawing daw ako ni... Bilis! Akala ko seryoso. Parang dati pa to, 2019.
Ako yun. Ay, hindi yung signature lang yan dati pa.
Practice na na. Parang gagawin mo yung you don't want to. Ano to? Gusto ko yan. Gusto ko tayo pa.
War na ganun.
Okay. Yeah. Just try it. Ito mas okay yung old.
어젯밤과 함께 떠나갔던 안개는 나를 전혀 바라보지 않잖아. 우리 둘 사이 관계는 깊지 않아 보이는 거 알잖아.